Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In this new video, we are going to talk about RealmDB. Sorry, sorry, I was checking out the preview in YouTube. Sorry about that. So in this video, we are going to talk about RealmDB, the integration with RealmDB. This is a pretty cool package that you can use to manage your data in offline mode. So let's get this started. Let me share the screen. Okay, there we go. Okay. Looks like we are alive. Okay, let me see something. I will put some music. Okay, let's see. Think I don't have the project opened. Oh yeah, it's open. Okay, I have a lot of changes here. Yeah, related with RealmDB. So let me check first. Let me check the slides. Wanna check those slides? Because I need to finish this. I need to finish the speech. Okay, this is my speech. Yeah, and let's log in. I think I will open this in another in a new tab. Yeah, in an incognito window. Yeah, and I will log in. So let me log in this application. Okay. Now let's click on edit. There we go. So let's check what we have so far. We have the presentation. We have the title of the speech. We have the agenda. Tell me something about React Native. What do I teach me? Okay, teach me React Native to the rescue. Let me check something. Okay. Components. So here I'm talking about the components that we can use in this library in React Navigation. Let's start coding. Welcome to React Native. Okay. Blah blah blah. Step 2. Step 1. Step 2. What the fuck? Okay, yeah, well, yeah, that what the fuck is an error? Yeah, it's like an error. Something is missing there, so I got a blank page. Flawless component allow us to make an efficient scroll list. We have blue crops, platform, blah, blah, blah. Flawless with pictures, item list, and icons in the right column. Implement product detail page. Yeah. What else? Pro detail page. Yeah. Redux integration. Yeah. RealDB. Okay, Redux integration. RealDB integration. I think I can. Alright. Okay, I'm gonna duplicate this. I'm gonna duplicate this screen. And here I will put a small intro to RealDB, I guess. Yeah, will be cool. I think we can copy this. Realm database is a fast, easy to use, and open source alternative to SQLite and core data. Yeah, I think we can put that description. Yeah, because we just need a small description about RealmDB. Yeah. Okay. Let me copy this. What else? Okay. And Realm database. Database is a fast. It's a fast. Easy to use. It's fast. It's a fast, easy to use. I think we'll be able to have the logo of this database, but it's pretty small. So I think I will leave it like this. It's a fast, easy to use, and open source alternative. And open source, yeah. An open source alternative to SQLite. Yes, HQ. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. SQLite. Okay. And for data. Core data. What is that? Okay, I think for first functionality. I think I will leave it as like this. Yeah, but I will use another text for this. Yeah. Mm-hmm. An open source an open source alternative to SQLite. Okay. I think I will put some bullets here. Some bullets. Yeah, something like this. And here we can mention something about the characteristics of this platform. Offline first functionality. Offline first. Fast queries. Cross-platform. Encryption. Okay, I think that's enough. Yes. Yeah, those are like advantages of using this package. Oh my gosh. Okay, RealDB integration. There you go, my friend. Okay. Yeah, looks okay. Okay, we have a small description for our RealDB integration. Real database is fast, easy to use, and open source alternative to SQL is fast. I think I will just leave. It's fast. It's a fast, easy to use, and open source. Yeah, it's a fast transfer. It's fast. Oh my gosh. It's a fast, easy to use, and open source alternative to SQLite. Yeah. Offline first, fast queries, cross-platform migration. Okay, let's start. Okay, some common errors that I found when I was implementing it. What else? Duplicate. Yeah, here I think I will show a small code. Yeah. I think I will copy a terminal. Yeah, something. This is square. Okay. Yeah. Let's see. Let's see what we can do here. Okay, I think I will start. I will just start explaining the RealmDB integration. Yeah. So the first step, or the first thing that we need to do is to run this command. I have this command here. Real native enabling Realm. Of course, the first step is to install the npm package. Yeah, of course, that's the first step. That's the first step. Yeah, here we have it. Let me check the navigation. Yeah, and we are using the version 1.103. 103. Yeah, that's the version that I'm using right now. That is the Realm navigation. Sorry, and Realm. Okay, we are using Realm 2.2.10. And yeah, you just basically hit npm Realm, and it will add the dependency. Yeah, you have to also append the save flag. Yeah, the dependency will be added to this part. Yeah, there you go. There's the first step to follow. The second step is to run the Real Realm. If you can see, I'm getting this error because I forgot to run this command, the Real Realm command. I forgot to do that, so I got this error message that you are seeing right now. Yeah, that was the this error was because you need to restart the application. Basically, you need to run again the application using Real Native Run Android command. Yeah. Okay. So those are the errors that I got when I went in this. Yeah. What else? So the first step is like PMI Realm save. It's like the first step that we need. Second step is like running React link Realm. create a native link, Realm. Yeah, that's the second step. Okay, and the third step, is create an instance. Let's check that part. So once you have the package installed, you're going to start working with Realm. So let me show you a small piece of code here that I wrote as an example. So basically here we are importing the Realm dependency, and here we are importing schema products. So the structure, that the folder structure that we are using for this is like under app folder, we have I have created the RealmDB folder, and inside this folder I have the schemas folder or directory. And inside this I have created a schema which is required, or yeah, it's required for working with Realm. So you just pass a name. This name is the schema's name. Also, you can use a primary key. This is not mandatory, but yeah, I just leave it there to show it up. Properties: ID, URL, text, description. Yeah, those are the properties that our schema is going to have. Yeah. Yeah. Basically, that is my schema. It's called products. Here I'm importing that schema. What else? Here I started to, yeah, here I created the instance, so you can check. This. Let me fix the spaces here. Let me check something. Okay. Okay. Let me copy this here. School. Yeah. The school. Okay, here, export the Realm instance. So I created this. Actually, we don't need to export this. We just need to say something like, hey, create a Realm. Let's use this variable and called Realm instance, and you just say a new Realm to create a new instance, and you just pass an object. Yeah, it's like a configuration object. And the first parameter is the schema, and it's an array, so you can pass here many schemas. So here you can pass another schema, another schema, another, and so on. Here you will have all the schemas that you're going to use in your application, and also you have the schema version. Yeah, right now is the version number 2 because I made some changes in the schema. So this yeah, this schema version is to manage the version of all the versions of your schema. So every time you need to change a property, for example, you need to add another property. Let's check that. Let's check that out. Products, yeah. Unless I think I have to run the application. Yeah, I think I'm running another one. Yeah, let me let me close this application. Okay. Okay, cool. So every time you need to add another property or another field within your schema, or also when you need to delete a field, or when you need to change the type. Because if you can see here, I'm using a string type for ID or URL, but maybe you need to put to set up this field as an integer or something. Then you can just change it here. But after doing that, you need to create a migration, and you need to increase the schema version. So for example, my first schema version will look like this. Okay. So that the schema is going to be created with these fields and these types. And here I will have nothing. Here this will be empty. Yeah. This will look like this. Okay. Look, this will looks like this. Let me. Oh gosh, it's running the application. It's running the other application that I'm developing. Oh my gosh. Let me run this. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So when you create the instance, the first time you create the instance, you will have something like this. You have the schema, you have schema version, and you will have this migration property which has a function, and it will receive as parameter the old realm and the new realm. Okay, so and the first time my product schema will looks like this. Okay, but if I decided to change this file, for example, I decided to change it by an integer, because maybe I want to use an integer here. So when I do that, but let me let's wait for this application. When I oh my gosh, yeah, okay. Every time I make a change here. For example, if I change to integer, it will trigger an error. So I want to show you that. Well, let me show you. Okay, the application is running. Okay, there we go. So I'm going to change this ID to integer, and I will save this. Okay, and now it's refreshing. And as you can see, we got an error. Migration is required to the following errors. Okay, let me capture this error because I need it for my speech. I needed it. I needed it for my speech. Yeah. Hmm. Uh, I think I'm going to duplicate this. Yeah. Mm. Let me refresh this. I think I'm going to refresh this. And I will paste the image here. Okay. Yeah. Migration. Yeah. I think I will put that image as well. Okay. Even though the error is very clear, we need I need to explain that, because if this is the first time that you're using this package, you will get lost. Okay. So migration is required due to the following errors. Property products ID has been changed from string to end. Okay, and the error is pretty clear. It says that the attribute or the property ID has been changed from string to end. So before it was if it was on a string, and right now it is an integer. So we need to migration is required. We need to implement a migration. That is what I was talking about. So basically, you start with a version 1 with something like this. But after that, after you make a change, you need to increase the number here. Yeah. Basically, you'll do something like this. You'll put the all realm objects, which is products, and new objects. You will assign the all objects, and here you just need to put the field that you want to change. So let's see this sample in real life. So let me undo. Yeah, let me remove the changes. String to end. And here produce text. Okay, here I changed the ID. So here I will put ID, and I will save. Okay, it is still showing the error, but it is because currently I was in version 2, so I need to increase the number as well. Primary key product property products has duplicated values after migration. Yeah, looks like it has some fields duplicated. some fields are duplicated. But I think it's because I'm inserting some information. Yeah. So let me think how to do that. I think I will, yeah, I think I will remove all the, the records in my database. So let me show you how to do that. Let's go to reducers, product. Where is that? Here is an action. Okay, yeah, it's an action. I will explain this but later in just a second. For now, let's remove all of this stuff. Yeah. I'm going to do something like success realmdb. Yeah, I will do something like realmdb dot. Let me check the. Okay, I have the load records. I have the helper function here, and I will delete all records for my products schema. That's duplicated values after migration. This is pretty strange. Let me check something here. I think this error will help me as well for my speech. Yeah. Patient needed. Primary key. Products ID has duplicated values after migration. Okay. So let's check something. So we are in the version 3 and we are getting the old objects. I think I want to console this. I don't know why this is happening, but I will try. I will figure out what is going on here. So let's see. Okay. Okay. Cool. All objects 0 ID 1 0 ID 1 2 3 3 So let me analyze this. So here we are saying that we have a primary key, which is the ID, and we are going to use an integer. Okay. Okay. Let's go. Let's console out this. The new objects stuff. So here, new objects. Now let's check what happened. Okay, that's the problem. That's the problem, my friend. Yeah. we have an ID0, 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 ID0. So when we change the type for that field, Realm automatically set up all the IDs to 0. So that's bad. I don't know why. And now I'm going to try delete all records. Let me check this helper. Schema name. What is the schema name? It's products. Yeah, it's okay. I don't know what is not removing the. It's not removing the fields. Delete all records has been deleted. Let me try to run that code. It's very strange. So I think I'm not going to run this migration yet. But let me go to the version 2. Because maybe we can run the code that we need. Oh, trying to let reviews, please today. Oh my gosh. Yeah, but it's not running there. It's pretty weird. I think we're gonna fix all of those fields by hand because I have no idea what to do here. Yeah. Okay, let's try this. So we have the new objects, we have the old objects. So the old objects, yeah. The old objects are okay. Yeah, objects ID equal to all objects ID. Yeah, but I think I will need to do a loop or something to change one by one. Oh my gosh, that's pretty bad. Okay, let's try this. Let's implement a for loop. Something like this. For loop. Let's say that since the record in all objects, yeah, we're going to use the all objects because the all objects are okay. Let's see what happened. So we can say something like new objects in the position, new objects, press the new objects, new objects, new objects, the position 0. Okay. So let me check something. ID. Okay, so here I have to say, so my current object will be something like all objects, the position of R, It's going to be this object. Yeah. Here I would say any objects in the position of R. Yeah. The position of R and in the position of ID. Yeah, and I think I will console this as well to see what happened here. Yeah. And here we're going to set the old object in the position R, in the position ID. Yeah, the objects. Okay, something like this. So we're going to change each one of these objects. So we have old objects. Yeah. So let me console this one instead. Let's try this. Oh my gosh. Hopefully this will work. Well, let me check the console log. Where is my console log, my friend? My friend, show me the console log. Okay, it's okay. But this timing must be of time number. Okay, let's say we can't. Let's say we cannot do a console log here. Yeah, we can't do that. But I know what is going on here because we recently defined the. I think. Let me remove this as well. This code as well. Current products. Here I am going just to send those current products. Okay, let me do something. I think this is working. I'm not sure. Because we're not able to see this loop working, but here we're assigning a string because the old object has an ID as a string. So we need to convert it by something like string integer parse int. We can use this function. And here we can just pass the value. Yeah, that could help. Let me try that. Yeah, we saw the number. So here we're having 1, 2, 3, blah, 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 and so on until 30. Component amount. So right now the view is working. File to child context time. Blah 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 blah. So key of time number. Yeah. Yeah. So right now we are getting an error, but it is because the float list component. Yeah, but basically our problem with the migration has been fixed. Yeah, that was all. Yeah, it sometimes it happens when you are changing the type is a little tricky. So right now I'm going to leave it in as a string. So as you can imagine, I'm changing the schema as well. So it says I'm changing from int to string, and that's what I wanted. So here I'm going to run another schema version because I want a string. I don't want to use a int anymore. I int type anymore. So yeah, I think I will do the same for each field, but instead of converting it to integer, I will convert it to string. Yeah, I will do that. All objects are ID. Okay. And here I'm converting it to string and assigning it to the new object. So let's check this out. Component in mount. Hopefully this will work. Okay, this working. Yay! And that was all. That's the most difficult part of RealmDB. It took me some while. It took me some time to understand this because the documentation is not clear. It's not very clear when doing this. Yeah, let's keep working. Let's keep what? Let's keep explaining the migration, the RealmDB integration. So yeah, basically you just need to go to your project and create a folder for your RealmDB. Here I just created a RealmDB folder, the schema folder to put inside each schema that I'm using. What else? Also, I created a RealmDB file. Here I'm importing the Realm dependency schema that I'm going to use here. And also, I have created some helper functions. For example, this helper function. Let me check here. No, it's not working here. Well, okay, yeah. And this function basically is to show a debug message. Yeah, to show a message. That's all. So if you're going to save, or you want to save, you want to save one record in the RealmDB, you can use this helper function. If you want to save all records, so for example, you have an array of objects. Yeah, you're going to load each one, and you're going to insert each one. And you have another helper function, which is get all records. Hello records from database. Save one by one the records that you pass. Send one record. Okay. Yeah, so here get all records from database for a specific schema. So basically, you specify the schema that you want to use, or the schema that you want to use. Here, for example, I'm using that helper, and I will show you how to do that. So let me check here, fetch products. So if we go to the products list component, here I have a component in mount. Yeah, but first let me show you here. I'm binding here I'm mapping the products action, and I'm extracting the fetch product function, and I'm mapping into something called fetch products. Here I'm just calling or dispatching that action, which is this one, fetch products. It's this one. And here I had a code implement something. Yeah, I'm implementing something here. Here I'm just carrying all the records in the local database. can call in this function get current products in database, and that function is this one. This function is using the RealmDB, which is this one, which is an object, because if you go to RealmDB and you check the sporting stuff, you're going to see a RealmDB object, and you're sporting get all records. Yeah, get all records helper. Yeah. Let me close this. I'm exporting that method. Yeah, here I'm calling that get all product all records, and I'm passing the schema as the function says. The function says the schema name. Get all records, and this is from this. This is not real. Delete all records. You need only a schema. Delete all records in your database. Yeah, okay, that's cool. Okay, so we are calling this get all records here in this function, get all records, and we're passing the schema that we're going to use to fetch all records. And here I'm just mapping, and I'm asking to here I'm check the product's length. And if we got something, we just map each one, because we need something like, let me show you. We need something like this. We need an array with some objects. Yeah, because that is what I'm expecting in my file list. Yeah, I'm expecting something like this. Here I have a fake data. Yeah, I'm expecting something like this. I'm expecting an array of objects with this special configuration. Yeah, it is a special structure. What else? So that's why. But when I get the products from RealmDB, it just returned an object with objects, as you can see here. Remember that we were consoling log the all objects. Yeah, here. So if you can see, we have an object, and this object has a key 0, 1, 1, 3, 4, blah, 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 until 30. So it's an object with objects. We don't need that. We're not expecting that structure. We're expecting this structure in our product list component. So that's why we just map this, and this will return an array with objects, and that's all. Otherwise, I will return an empty array. That's all. Yeah. So there's the functionality of that code. Yeah. Of this get current products. Yeah, that's the functionality. And here also I'm checking the length. If I don't have, if I didn't find any records there in my local DB, I will dispatch Sussex products, but using current products. Length. If I find something in my database, so if I have products here, I will dispatch a Sussex products, and I will send the current. What else? Otherwise, let me check this. Yeah. Otherwise, I will assign the current products. I will assign the call of this function. So this function is just remove all current products before to insert the new data. Before inserting the new data. So RealDB delete all records products and deleting all the products. And RealDB, um, RealDB, yeah. And I'm also using this helper save all records, and I'm passing the products. Let's check that method. The helper get all records from database for a specific schema. Sorry. Yeah, I'm getting all the records from a specific schema. And also I'm passing a second argument the fake data. Okay, sorry, it's not this one. Insert. It's this one. Save all records. Save all records. Okay, it's this method. Save by one. Save one by one all records. All received records. So here I'm expecting an array of objects and a schema, string name of the schema. It's a string. So I'm expecting the schema name and also the data, which is an array of objects. Yeah, that's all. I pass the fake data. So here I'm passing some fake data, which come from this file. I just put some fake data here, because the first time you run the application, you will not have any information. So you just need some fake data to insert the first time you run the application. So that is what I'm doing there. I'm populating the database. The first time I'm populating the database. So the current products will be these products that I just inserted, which are the fake data. Yeah, and that's basically all. And I need those records here to this variable, and I'm resolving the promise, because this is a promise. And here I'm resolving the promise. I just dispatch as these products with the response. I am also catching the error, but I'm okay. Resolve. Yeah, I think I'm having something wrong here. Yeah. Yeah. I think. Yeah. Okay. I think I will do something better here, because this is looking pretty strange. So basically, I will check if current products, the length is something equal to 0. So if we don't find any records in the database, I will get them and insert them from fake data. Yeah. Okay. So if we don't find any records, I will do that. And after that, check if we find any records. And if we don't find any records, we will call insert products. Yeah, and we will insert the products, and we will return the fake data that we were using to the first insert. And after that, I will resolve with the current products. And here I will receive the current products, and I will dispatch this. Yeah, this looks a little better right now. Let's check what happened. Yeah, still working. Our application is still working. Yeah, it's working. Oh, it's working better. Yeah. Okay, I think that was all. Yeah, I think that was all. That was the implementation. So I think I will comment duplicated values. Yeah. Yeah, this was because you need to look each record and change the value for the ID. And that's all. That was the implementation. I think I will finish this video. See you later in another video. Take care. Have a good day.